Nah, dulu Bu Isra. Zoom-nya minta update pula nih. Bu Isra.
Ya, Pak.
Boleh Ibu dulu punya
Pak Nizam, ada kendala?
Iya, Bu.
Oh, oke.
Zoom-nya
Kita
lagi.
lanjut ke Ibu Isra. Siap, Bu Isra?
Siap, Miss. Sebentar, 5 menit saya set ini di skip.
Oh, oke.
2 menit udah siap. Oke. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everybody. How are you today?
Morning, Miss.
I'm good.
Alhamdulillah, good.
Sehat
What
ya?
about you?
Me too, alhamdulillah. Okay, before start our lesson today, I want to check your body, maybe your dress. Udah rapi kah? Jilbabnya sudah cantik. Pak Amir Faisal, udah pakai seragam rapi hari ini?
Ya, sudah.
Amir Faisal, Khairul mana Khairul?
Hadir, Miss.
Nah, Khairul udah pakai baju yang rapi ya?
Udah
Oke.
potong rambut juga.
Okay, Miss, check attendance-nya first. Okay, Amir Faisal,
Present.
Rona Fitria. Rona, where are you, Rona?
Present, Miss.
Okay, Riyadul Marhama. Riyadul, yes. Egawati, are you in?
Absent, Miss.
Why?
No information.
Oh, Widya Ningsi, are you in?
Present, Miss.
Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, everybody. Before start our lesson today, so first let's sing a song with me. Okay, listen to me carefully. Okay, first when I ask you good morning, you have to answer my question. Good morning. Example like I say, good morning, student. You have to answer, good morning, teacher. When I ask you, how are you, student? You have to answer, I am fine, thank you. After that, you ask me the same question, right? You got it?
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let's start. Good morning, teacher. I'm sorry. Good morning. Sorry. Good morning, student.
Good
morning, teacher.
Good morning, student.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay. Good morning, good morning, good morning, student.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Morning, teacher.
How are you, student?
I'm
fine,
teacher.
How are you, student?
How are you, teacher?
How are you, teacher?
Okay. How are you? How are you? How are you, student?
How are you?
How are you,
teacher?
Hello, my student. When I ask you how are you, you have to answer, I'm fine. Thank
fine.
you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, repeat again. How are you, student?
I'm fine, teacher.
How are you, student?
I'm fine, teacher.
Oke, thank you. Udah semangat ya belajarnya ya.
Yes, ma'am.
Oke. Oke, let's see. Nah, nih, I want to ask you something. Can you tell me what is the matter our last meeting last week, my students? Halo Amir, Rona. Can you tell me what is the matter our last meeting last week?
Forget me.
You forgot it? Are you sure?
About the thing in the classroom.
Oh, okay. Last meeting we have studied about we love what we do.
Oh yeah, Miss.
Chapter
Yes.
6, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
And now please look at this picture below.
Wow.
What do you think about this picture?
Beautiful.
Yes, that is beautiful. That is about sea, mountain, maybe lake. That's beautiful. So you have to describe about these pictures, right?
Yes.
Okay, after that. Nah. Okay, why this material is so important? Okay, listen to me carefully. I want to ask you, Indonesia is a very beautiful country, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you proud of Indonesia?
Yeah.
Yes, of course.
Okay, that's good. Now, how do your friend know that you are very proud of Indonesia? How do your friend know that you are proud of Indonesia?
Tell to my friend about how beautiful my country are.
That's good. You have
Yeah.
to describe about your country, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, next. Your new friend is going to visit you, but she doesn't know which one your house is. How will she know your house? Can you tell me?
Share Google Map, Miss.
That's good. That's good. Next.
Yeah. Describe
Okay.
about the direction, Miss.
Okay, thank you. Good. Okay, our motivation today, where there is a will, there is a way. Di mana ada kemauan, di situ ada jalan. Iya, jangan sebelum belajar sudah, Miss, it is very difficult. I don't know how to show it. Jangan seperti itu. Kita harus positive thinking. Di mana kita ada kemauan, di situ ada jalan. Ya, okay, next. Okay, today we are going to study about descriptive text, especially about definition, social function, generic structure, and language features. Oke, adapun indikator yang akan kita capai, yang pertama, menjelaskan fungsi sosial dari teks tulis, dari teks deskriptif tulis tentang orang, binatang, dan benda. Yang kedua, menentukan struktur teks dari teks deskriptif tulis tentang orang, binatang, dan benda. Dan yang ketiga, mendeskripsikan unsur kebahasaan beberapa teks deskriptif tulis tentang orang, binatang, dan benda. Adapun tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini, yang pertama, untuk menjelaskan fungsi sosial dari teks deskriptif baik orang, benda, dan binatang. Yang kedua, menentukan struktur teksnya. And the last one is to describe unsur kebahasaan beberapa teks deskriptif tulis tentang orang, binatang, dan benda, ya. Okay. Now, let's see the fighters. Okay, first, let's see, genre the kind of the text. Nah, jenis-jenis dari teks. Ada 12 jenis dari teks. Namun, karena kita berada di bangku SMP, kita akan mempelajari 5 teks di SMP, yaitu tentang deskriptif, procedure, recount, narrative, and report. Kemudian, untuk deskriptif, kita akan mempelajari pada saat berada di kelas 7. Yang kedua, procedures, kita akan belajar pada saat kita berada di kelas 9. Yang ketiga, recount, kita akan belajar di kelas 8. Narrative, itu di kelas 9. Dan report di kelas 9. Oke, next. Okay. Okay. Descriptive text. What is descriptive text? A descriptive text is a text that is describe the features of someone, something, or certain place. Descriptive text adalah sebuah teks yang menggambarkan ciri-ciri seseorang, sesuatu, atau tempat tertentu. Okay, next. Yes. What is the purpose of descriptive text? The purpose of descriptive text is to describe a particular person, place, thing, or animal. It means that tujuan dari descriptive text ini adalah untuk menggambarkan atau menuliskan kembali tentang orang, tempat, hal, atau binatang tertentu. Okay, next. Okay, and now the generic structure of descriptive text. First, identification. What is identification? Identifies the thing to be described. Di sini, di identification, kita mengidentifikasi hal-hal yang akan dijelaskan atau digambarkan. Example, a cat. I have a cat. Her name is Cathy. That is identification. Ya, seperti itu. Yang kedua, description. What is description? Describes parts, qualities, and characteristics of the person or thing that is described. Nah, di description ini yaitu kita menggambarkan bagian, kualitas, karakteristik baik orang, binatang, dan benda yang akan kita jelaskan. Okay, I'm sorry. Yes, penggunaan tenses dalam descriptive text. Adapun tenses yang kita gunakan ketika kita membuat teks deskriptif itu menggunakan present tense. Kenapa? Karena ketika kita mendescribe sesuatu, berarti kita mendescribe pada saat itu dan melihat pada saat itu, tidak mendescribe sesuatu yang sudah dilampau. Nggak mungkin ya kan? Ketika kita melihat how to describe something, take the thing and describe it. Ya, something like that. Okay? Okay, let's see the example. Let's see the example of descriptive text. Yeah, that is about descriptive text. Okay, any questions so far? Any questions so far? Hello, my student. Are you in?
No, ma'am.
Ya,
Yes,
Miss.
ma'am.
No question.
Jelas?
Tadi kan
Jelas?
ini mau tanya, Miss.
Boleh.
Tadi kan bilang kalau mau deskripsikan sekarang gitu kan, makanya pakai present apa tadi? Tense ya.
Apa? Bagaimana? Nggak jelas suaranya, Ria?
Kalau mau mendeskripsikan apa yang kita lihat kan langsung gitu kan, makanya pakai tenses apa tadi
Untuk
present
present
tense-nya.
tense.
Misalkan kayak kemarin kan saya ke pantai gitu kan, nah, mau cerita ke teman tuh gimana cantiknya pantai, nggak bisa lagi berarti.
Bisa. Sorry, salah bilang tadi. Bisa. Karena kan gini, kayak misalnya kita ke Pulau Komodo atau ke Bali, kan kita misalnya setelah kita lihat, I want to describe about Bali misalnya, kan nggak mungkin ketika kita berada di Bali. Sorry, bisa.
Nggak bisa, masih bisa pamer-pamer lah, Miss ya.
Bisa. Oke,
Terima
next.
kasih.
Ada lagi pertanyaan? Oke. Nah, ini ada beberapa teks deskripsi yang sudah Miss tampilkan di sini. Yang pertama tentang orang. Ini bisa Miss minta baca dari Amir Faisal. Can you help me to read this text?
Okay, Miss. I
Okay.
love my mom very much. She's
Mhm.
an elementary school teacher. She's very patient. She's never angry. She always smiles and never complains. My mom is my best friend. I can talk to her about everything. Oh yeah, she can sing. She has a beautiful voice.
Okay, thank you, Amir. Okay,
You're
next.
welcome, ma'am.
Okay, this is a text about animal. Riyadul, can you help me to read this text?
Yeah. I love my cat, Manis. Oh, she makes me happy. When I tickle her, she rolls around and taps her paws on my hand. I like the feeling. She has 3 colors, white, yellow, and black. She often lies on
Nice, okay.
lies on my feet when I study or watch TV. Sometimes she sleep in my bed with me on my feet. It's feels warm.
Thank you, Ria. Ria, you have a cat?
I have.
You dislike cat?
Takut saya, Miss.
Oh, I think cat is very cute. Okay, next. And that is about things, my favorite novel. Okay, Rona, can you help me to read this text, please?
Yes, Miss. I have a novel.
Yes, novel.
My novel title is
Yes,
The Story of an Idiot.
an idiot. Yes.
I love that book because
Because,
when
yes.
I read it, I get not only knowledge but
Yeah.
also entertainment.
Entertainment. Yes.
The color of the book's cover is red.
Yes.
Author is Joseph. The total page
Page.
of that book are
Five.
500 pages.
Yes.
Are divided into 6
Parts.
At
Okay, good.
the back of the cover is actually the short summary of that book.
Oke, thank you, Rona. Belajar lagi sayang ya.
Ya, Miss.
Miss mau tanya sama Rona nih. Rona punya novel nggak? Suka nggak baca novel?
Ada Miss satu.
Oh, nanti Miss minta describe novel Rona ya.
Boleh.
Oke.
Tapi pakai bahasa Indonesia, Miss ya.
Boleh, kita belajar bahasa Inggrisnya sedikit-sedikit sayang ya. Oke,
Miss.
next. Oke, you can see this. You can see? Oke. Tadi kita sudah lihat 3 teks dan kita juga sudah minta kawan-kawan kita untuk membaca ketiga teks tersebut. Nah, di sini Miss mau tanya nih. Tadi juga kita udah belajar nih social function dari descriptive text itu bagaimana. Nah, Miss mau tanya nih di teks pertama, kira-kira social functionnya apa? Apa nih social function? Ada yang tahu nggak? Ada yang tahu nggak?
Untuk menggambarkan orang, Mem.
Untuk menggambarkan orang, to describe people. Okay, good.
Ya.
Bagus, Khairul Nizam dapat nilai 90 ya.
Oke, Mem. Makasih, Mem.
But next time, use your knowledge. I mean that use your language, English language, right?
Okay.
Okay. Text 2. Siapa yang mau dapat nilai lagi? Social function.
Describe animals.
Describe animal. Describe an animal. Karena satu nantinya. Okay, good. Hilda ya. Hilda mau dapat nilai berapa? Hilda mau dapat nilai berapa?
Miss.
100? No, 100
200.
itu untuk asisten boleh. 90 sayang ya. Oke. Next. Yang teks ketiga. About my favorite novel. Siapa yang mau jawab nih?
Saya, Miss.
Hilda lagi. No, Hilda. Kasih kesempatan untuk kawan lain. Biar sama-sama nilainya kita. Boleh. Miftah apa Miftah?
Apa tadi ya? Menjelaskan ini, Miss. Apa tadi? Novel, Miss.
Novel. Berarti describe about novel or ini ya. Oke, good. Oke, kita lihat sekarang. Ya, this is the answer. For the text 1, to describe person, the writer's mom. For the text 2, to describe an animal, the writer's cat, manis. And the last one, to describe thing, the writer's favorite novel. Ya, oke, next. Ya, ini apa lagi nih? What is this? This is generate structure. Nah, ketika kita sudah tahu social functionnya, sekarang kita lihat struktur teks dari teksnya. Teks pertama nih, yang mana identification? Ayo, siapa yang mau jawab? Ayo, siapa yang mau jawab?
Baris pertama, Miss.
Baris pertama. Coba Rona baca sayang.
I love my mom very much.
Iya, itu apa nih?
Identifikasi.
Oke, deskripsinya yang mana?
She is an elementary school teacher. She is very patient. She is never angry. She always smiles and never complains.
Oke, good. Thank you, Rona. Rona dapat nilai 90 juga ya.
100 lah, Miss.
Nggak bisa 100 sayang. 100 itu untuk asisten guru ya.
Oke
90
deh.
itu udah mantap kali lah. Oke, next. Teks yang kedua. Siapa yang mau jawab teks yang kedua?
Saya, Miss.
Who is that? Ega. Oke, Ega.
I love my cat.
I love
Identification-nya.
my cat. Identification. Oke, good.
Description-nya, she make me happy until it feel warm.
Oke, thank you Ega. Ega juga dapat nilai bagus ya. Oke, sorry. Next, my favorite novel. Oke, the last one. Siapa yang mau jawab? Siapa yang mau jawab yang terakhir? Ayo siapa? Amir belum dapat nilai nih. Ayo Amir, ayo cepat.
I have a
Where are you?
novel.
I have a novel. What is that? That is in the identification.
Yes,
Yeah.
identification.
Okay, and the description is the text after that.
Yeah, my novel. The title is The Story of an Idiot. I love that because when I read it, I get not only knowledge but also entertainment. The color of the book's cover is red.
Yeah.
And the ground is description.
Okay, thank you Amir. Amir dapat nilai bagus juga ya. Semua
Thank
dapat
you,
nilai bagus
ma'am.
insyaallah. But you have to be good, do your best in your class, right? Oke, nah ini jawabannya nih. Udah Miss kasih warnanya cantik-cantik ya, orangnya cantik-cantik ya. Cantik-cantik, ganteng-ganteng. Oke. Nah, sampai sini. Ada pertanyaan, adakah yang kurang difahami? Miss rasa semuanya sudah paham ya, sangat jelas Miss rasa ya. Halo?
Miss.
Ya, Miss. Paham.
Alhamdulillah. Oke, and right now Miss akan kasih satu LKPD. LKPD-nya dibuat dalam bentuk kelompok. Miss akan nampakkan di sini dulu. Kita share screen dulu, nanti baru Miss kirim masing-masing kelompok sayang ya.
Ya.
Ya,
Okay.
Miss.
Thanks. Where is the text? Nah, ini LKPD-nya. Sebenarnya di sini kelompok tadi Miss cuma salah buat nama. Harus di sini nama kelompok saya. Kelompok 1 nanti anggotanya siapa buat aja di bawah ya. Nah, ini soalnya. Read the text once more and answer the following question. Pay attention to the intersection of each item. That is my house ya, tentang things. Nah, ini soal. Wow, soalnya kemana? Oh, ini dia. Kita lari, sorry. Nah, ini soalnya ya. Miss bagikan aja soal ke grup masing-masing. Silakan dikerjakan. Miss kasih waktu 30 menit dari sekarang.
Keluar Bu Isra ya.
My student,
Oke.
hello. I
Iya,
think the time is over. Oh, how about that? We don't have time to make this LKPD. So, boleh buat di rumah, dijadikan sebagai homework. Minggu depan kita presentasi. Dan untuk hari ini, sebentar. Bentar ya. Kita ambil refleksinya langsung. Okay, reflection activity today. What have you learned today? Today we are going to learn about the descriptive text, generic structures, language feature, and yeah, only that. Kemudian, what did you like most about today's lesson? Okay. Hello, everybody.
Yeah.
What did you like most about today's lesson?
Reading the text, Miss.
Okay, thank you. Reading the text ya.
Ya.
I like the picture, Miss.
Waktu nyanyi nggak suka?
Suka juga.
Ya, like
Iya,
singing,
minggu
Miss.
Yes, minggu depan kita nyanyi banyak-banyak nyanyi bahasa Inggris ya. Oke.
Ya.
Okay. What you have not understood in today's lesson? Ada yang tidak dipahami hari ini?
Is it clear, Miss?
Oke lah, thank you. Insya Allah minggu depan kita akan belajar tentang lebih dalam lagi tentang language feature dan juga menyusun teks deskriptif sederhana. I think enough for today. Thank you my student for your attention. The last say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well done Bu. Good job.